There are pedestrians on the highway. I've seen it before. But this pedestrian just happily and then runs across the highway. He doesn't even look at the cars. Scared our driver completely flustered. It was really close. If something like this happens, do you think it's the driver's fault? Or is it the highway's mismanagement? Second, a car on the opposite side of the intersection with the green light turned left. We're still so far from going straight. He can turn left. But a tricycle came up on the right. And he wasn't so lucky. Avoided him directly. And then overturned. An accident without contact. But the other person ran away. Do you think we can find him? The third country lane. The road is a bit narrow. And there are many curves. Don't think there are no cars. You must honk the horn in advance at the curves in these places. This is still considered good. I'm afraid motorcycles will rush out of these curves. The fourth one. Pay attention. It's driving normally, and there's nothing wrong. Watch out, what's happening with the two cars coming up in the right lane? Oh my goodness. I took a closer look. It should be the car in the far right lane. When it was about to overtake, there was a tricycle ahead. It braked suddenly, causing the car to fishtail. It crashed over. The fifth one. A car is coming from the opposite direction, trying to overtake the electric bike. Oh. He's not braking either. And he's just going to hit us like this. This place is a curve to begin with. Seeing a car coming from the other direction. Can't overtake now, can you? Quickly go back. He still insists on overtaking. You'll wait and see how he lets you pass. There's no room. The sixth one. Let's look at the car on the right. It has turned on its turn signal. It's definitely going to change lanes. So, the driver definitely doesn't want to let him in. Because there's a traffic jam ahead. Nobody wants to let anyone in. Everyone wants to go ahead. But our driver is not at fault, right? Just go straight, following the taxi ahead. It's a courtesy if you let them. It's also your right if you don't. But if there isn't enough distance, right? And if they still try to force their way in, then that's considered cutting in line. This is no longer a normal lane change. But I think, after all, there's a traffic jam. And they might have been in the wrong lane. If you can give way, then give way. There's really no need. Now everyone's stuck, unable to move. Anyway, everyone's got a temper. But when we're driving, we definitely shouldn't have a temper or be emotional. Seventh, pay attention to the green light at the upcoming intersection. The first intersection, green light. Our drivers can proceed normally. No problem at all. Then there's another intersection ahead. There are no traffic lights here. One car turns left. And another car follows, also turning left. As a result, it was unlucky. Actually, I thought so too. Only one car turns left. Even if the car behind wants to turn left, it should wait a bit. You can't be so impatient. The eighth one. A car turns left. I wonder what this driver is thinking. Oh my God. The road is so wide on the left. You're not going that way. You have to go on this median. It's impossible not to see it. I guess there's a beautiful woman in the passenger seat of this car. Don't overtake like this, number 9. Look, follow the car in front. The distance between the big truck and us is already very short. But there's a situation ahead. You won't have time to brake at all. Especially on the highway. I've seen many drivers who like to overtake like this. Nothing happened. That's just good luck. Finally, watch the two police officers on the left. An electric bike came out, carrying 3 people. Oh, and they even brought down the 7 police officers. Why did you have to hit someone? You hit this one riding by yourself? Luckily, you're carrying 2 people. Isn't that ridiculous? What's going on here? Pay attention to the car in front. To be honest, he's going to change lanes to the middle. You did fall, and the tires have already crossed the line. It's actually quite cool. But now driving at night again. The headlights are on in front. Otherwise, it's dangerous. Is he changing times or not? Headlights are on in front to brake. It'd be a problem. The car is still on the line. You must slow down. Which way are you going? Our driver is about to pass this tank. Didn't brake either when they saw this. Hey, it seems like the car pay attention is responsible passing, because he hasn't finished changing lanes in front. If we rammed into him from behind, oh, thank goodness, it's different from him changing lanes like this next to us. You have to be careful. The nature of the situation is quite different. Look here again. The second one is overtaking someone riding an electric bike up ahead. Are you trying to go to heaven or after we get over there? Stop. I was already a little scared of your Tesla. It's too late to brake. You're treating this like it's also too late. Hey, you really drive really unlucky. Although that's not the way to do curve. Let's go. Why don't you just pay attention? A motorcycle is just a large vehicle right in a place like this. It's a green light. Watch the car in front. Better be careful when overtaking. He didn't slow down. The third just rushed right through. Let's take a look at this driver, who's also quite unlucky. There's another car. There's an entrance on the left ahead. He didn't make it through. Normally, that's not right. The vehicle's merging from my left. This green light has been on for so long. Should definitely yield to the vehicles going straight. The red light. Do you know how to drive? Look here. Oh, don't worry about whether I can brake or not, right? A small car is turning before coming out, and you'll have to endure it. He just turning straight out. You're asking for it. Hey, he almost drove our driver into the river. Our light is clearly green. Is it the last one? Left turn and look at this car right ahead. This small driver decided you're running a red light too. Look, the small car driver is still not convinced. A car on the right also came out to merge by turning right. He turned right. He rammed a red light at such a high speed. One dares to turn like this. Just look at the car. One dares to crash like this. What kind of liquor did you drink? Let the straight go straight. It's so potent. Sometimes, how terrifying is it when a large vehicle's tire blows out? I don't think it's necessary. Many people may not have a clue. Is very thrilling. Look at this young lady. Pay attention to the bottom right corner. Passing by the side of this large vehicle. This situation is dangerous. Say, it's very lucky. The driver isn't at fault. It just so happened that his tire blew out right after the driver is in trouble. The impact is quite terrifying. Can't take a do-over. If a tire suddenly blows out while passing, the 6th one, you'll be scared to the point of internal waiting to turn left physically to the left. It seems we should stay away from large vehicles waiting to turn left into the opposite lane. Not just when driving. At this point, but also the vehicle on the right will definitely change lanes. Let's look at this intersection again. It's not a question of whether the construction area on the right has combed, but the vehicle changing lanes after this Mazda passes. When there are vehicles or obstacles in front of traffic, you need to change lanes over here. The car on the right suddenly sped up. You definitely need to observe this. As a result, the two sides sideswiped each other. After turning right, the other party was fully responsible. There are 2 cars in the front. And look at his maneuver. There's no problem with this. They seem to have just started from the right, overtaking on the bend. Then we both shouldn't go. It's really harmful to both yourself and others. One car is turning around. You know, it's a bit better. Just as we arrived, our driver was driving on the left. Our view was blocked by this car because there was a tricycle on the right. The car turning around on the other side didn't dared to overtake on the bend. The driver should return to their own lane. He didn't see anything. We all brake. I didn't expect a car from the opposite direction to overtake on the bend. Coincidence. He's still stepping on the gas and just turning the vehicle definitely staying to the right. But the lines on this bend are all familiar. Straight through the 8th intersection. I think the responsibility is also for going straight. And has paid attention to the left turn ahead is going faster. But the driver they're not familiar with suddenly hitting the brakes after getting on. I don't understand what the driver is doing. Stepping on the gas. Is this considered a rear? You should slow down and brake immediately. Do you think that I don't think this is our change lanes for a rear? Have been scared silly. Don't overtake. I can guess what his expression is. Look, the night car. Pay attention to the there's traffic to repair the vehicle. He should be turning left ahead. A good there are still vehicles, but he didn't turn ahead. You must concentrate. Then the car owner. Did the driver know you're not careful getting in the car now? It'll be too driving by the time you react. Let's be careful. You can only see the braking in front. Fast forward here. Let's take a look inside. Let's speed things up. If this situation occurs, start moving forward after that's extremely dangerous. But he still didn't
take a look
move
at the
after
car
hitting
in
in
front
front
again.
in this tunnel now.
We waited a
Look,
long time,
he's been
but there's a
driving
bend
over
ahead,
the line.
so we need to fast
Do you
forward.
think the
And now
road
his
ahead is
braking
clear
again.
at this
Then a
time?
staff member came
He
over
doesn't
and
want
when
to
you
go
get car
there.
door. And he won't
Oops,
let
at this
us go.
moment,
Situation
the owner
ahead,
of the car
and then
in
look,
front got out.
He's
It's too
changing
late at
lanes,
this point.
but he put it in reverse.
Then let's
This
go to the
situation
right
is
and
very
then
dangerous.
reverse directly. I
And
estimate
hit
a lot
our
of drivers
car
would have
owner.
crashed.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this one, another white
The car
Volkswagen.
owner is really unlucky. Pay attention.
Everyone.
We came just to repair the car.
We were going straight, now it's done.
And then he wanted to
You
change
even give me a
lanes.
buy one get one free repair.
But our driver didn't let him.
Finally, another one.
Then he started to get angry.
Let's take a look at the intersection
Then
ahead.
this happened.
Although there are
Pay
no
attention,
traffic lights,
everyone.
it seems there are not many vehicles on the road. But you have to pay attention when you come over too. What if
I
there's
think
an
this is a
electric
typical
bike?
case of road rage.
You might not believe it.
I don't
but
understand what he's angry
look,
about.
it's just happening.
Our car owner was driving
this
normally.
kind of situation, you
His
say
lane
there's a rule
change
of
was
yielding
wrong
to
to
begin
begin
with.
But I
And
don't think
now,
it applies
you
to
see,
electric
he
bikes.
rear-ended him.
So the car
This
owner
rear-end
probably
wasn't
still
intentional.
unlucky.
Oh.
Watch out!
It was because
there's
he
a
suddenly
motorcycle
slammed
coming.
on the brakes.
Oh, I
He
have
still
to
won't
brake
give up by
quickly.
now.
This situation
Look,
is
he's
not
moving
right.
forward again.
Oh, are you
He
okay?
started reversing and bumping into
Buddy.
us again.
It seems this driver's temper is extraordinary. It's best not to drive with this kind of mentality. Pay attention to the left. There's been an accident involving vehicles. Let's proceed slowly at this time. The driver might also be watching the excitement. As a result, another car rear-ended. That's a bit unlucky. We've also mentioned accidents on the road before. We
Driving
better
on
not
the
watch the
highway
fun.
in the rain.
It's over. There's
It's
an
over.
empty road on the side. It's okay.
Brothers,
Let's quickly go
it's
to the
okay.
intersection ahead. I thought it was over,
Everyone,
but it was
pay
just a
attention.
scare.
Everyone,
Look, don't drive fast.
Highway
An
on a
old man
rainy day.
directly sat down in the middle of this intersection with the whole chair. What's the meaning of this? He's really treating this like his own living room. I guess the old man is waiting for a destined person. I hope this destined person doesn't show up. The position where he's sitting. Right in the blind spot of the A-pillar when turning left. This kind of situation is really dangerous. Pay attention when the green light is flashing at the intersection. You thought the car in front would pass through. But then it braked suddenly. You quickly dodged the dog. The dog? Geez, nearly ran over this dog, too. But if there was a person here, it would be even more dangerous. So when the traffic light is flashing green at the intersection, don't rush forward following the car in front. The worst thing is if the front car suddenly brakes. Let's look at the vehicles further ahead. After 3 white cars turned left. That van, after it turned left, just drifted completely again. Oh my goodness. The guy in front is unlucky again. Let's take another look. This really makes me angry. The car owner starts to go this way. Then a small electric bike comes from the opposite direction. He's driving against traffic. Hey, he went directly in front of our car. What's the meaning of this? We didn't provoke him. Look at him, deliberately hitting us. The young people are really arrogant. Then look at this one, after an Audi comes from the left. He wants to change lanes to our side. This lane change is also not standard. He's deliberately squeezing us like this. At this moment, our car owner also has no reason to yield to him. He is not convinced. He's just forcing his way. The bully will be dealt with by the big truck sooner or later. Finally, everyone pay attention and watch.